Hello everyone, my name is Tafari Stewart, and this is my postmortem about the level that I created this month in level design class. We had basically 28 days to design, create, and publish a full level, and it was challenging to say the least. I will start out by discussing what went wrong. My first graded assignment, building the environment, did not go so well. My first submission did not have enough detail in the level to add to its believability. It lacked plants, rocks, and other details that would be expected in the environment. I also could not figure out how to change up the size and shape of the trees, and my water looked strange. I revised them later after attending a live class session and watching more of the Lynda tutorials. My biggest frustrations, however, were in trying to implement the C# code to get the door in the shantytown wall to open when the fifth item was collected, and in figuring out the cinematics of the hang glider. The class really requires that you dedicate several hours each day to get a handle on the skills that you will need to complete the project. Now for the good. Every good design starts with a good plan. The level mock-up and design document that I created really helped a lot. It told what would be placed in the level, the trees, rocks, houses, where the cinematics would occur, the player's start and end positions, etc., so that whoever was designing the level could easily follow. Also, learning how to do the item collection was rewarding. I really gained an understanding of how to implement the item collection mechanic inside a level. Overall, while I certainly have a long way to go before I become proficient in Unity and level design, I found it was relatively easy to grasp the basic concepts of Unity. Here is a look at my final product. If there is anything I would have liked to implement, it is making the explosion cinematic at the end of the level more visible. That's my postmortem. Thanks for listening.